Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are at Windflower Coorg. So it took us around 6 hours to reach here. Actually it would have taken a bit less, but we stopped in between at Dubai, so that's the reason we reached. And it's actually not weekend per se, so we have come on Friday, so there was no traffic per se. And yeah, we are here right now. We'll show you around in Windflower Coorg. So we just checked in, we have started with the check-in process, and we'll give you the room tour in a few minutes.
And this is their reception. There's some seating area here. These are some pools. That's the Omni van. So basically they don't have a buggy, but they'll take the luggage in the Omni van. And yeah, we'll keep you posted.
So let me give you a room tour.
This is a premium room that we have booked.
This is a premium room, yeah. And this is the living area over here. So you have a good amount of space here.
Actually quite a lot of space. Quite spacious.
Balcony overlooking the coffee plantation.
Yep.
Come. Good mirror. And then this is the bedroom. Quite spacious. And
Quite spacious.
You again have the view of the
Such a comfy,
plantation.
really comfy recliner. And here's the view again. So you wake up every day to this view. It's quite beautiful. Always appreciate beautiful tile work and so many cute flowers. Oh my god. If anyone knows which flower this is, please comment down below. I have never seen this.
A lot of storage area over here, the wardrobe, and to keep the luggage. Then we have a big bathroom actually, and indoor shower. And this is open area for bathing, open shower.
So would definitely recommend at least a room size wise. Later on we'll tell you how the entire experience was, because that depends on how well everything works. But as of now, what are the first thoughts?
Looks good, and we are going to have our lunch in some time, so we have booked a full package that includes lunch, breakfast and dinner. So yeah, let's see how everything goes. And they have mentioned about the lake that within the property, so probably we can go there for the sunset.
And fingers crossed.
Okay. Yeah. So we have come for lunch. The restaurant is overlooking the swimming pool. Quite spacious, I would say. So we are very hungry right now. Let's wait and see how the food is. So in buffet we have a lot of options. So if you can see, we have chapati options and flatbread options. Then we have a soup, some starters over here. Yeah, some vegetarian things and main course. Then yeah, some other things as well. I'm not sure. Some rice over here, chili baby corn gravy, and some noodles. A lot of options for the non-vegetarians as well. If you see, fish and omelette, chicken, and chicken and egg. Then we have desserts over here. So you do have few pastries and mousse and everything, and then we also have our ice cream counter. So the property is of around 5 acres, and you have multiple rooms. So basically it consists of 45 rooms or 45 cottages, and we are staying in one of them, which is a premium studio, you can say. So it's quite large, but you have some smaller rooms as well if you are coming as a couple. So probably you can take one of these, so like in between of the plantation. And if I show you around, it is like quite peaceful here. Okay, so it seems that they are not the smaller ones. They could be actually jacuzzi villas of this.
I think they are 3 or 4 stay options here. So where we are is the premium suite or something like that. And these might be the jacuzzi villa. So you have quite a few options. And you think maintenance wise it's fine.
Yeah. It's not amazing, but it's more than good, I would say.
Yeah, it's nice. And quite peaceful.
So we spent some time in the evening near the lake, and the lake wasn't very well maintained, I would say, but it's good to go around the property. So we've been walking here and there, and now we have arrived at the spa here. So if you want couple massages, you can come here. And
Body scrub or whatever, if you fancy that kind of
so
stuff. And there's some badminton area here as well.
So it looks quite good.
So this is the spa, in case you're interested. Yep. And we did all of this after getting into the pool, right?
Yeah. We went to a pool in the evening before going to a lake, and now we are here.
And the pool timings are 8 to 6. It's actually nice pool, even if you want to take a dip or if you want to take some nice pictures, because it's sort of infinity pool. Definitely. The earlier pictures we saw had the green tiles, I think, the green tiles in the pool. But now they have replaced it with blue, and that looks actually quite nice. Right, Mia?
Yeah, definitely. It's worth going into the pool, and as Aditi said, the timings are 8 to 6. So the earlier you go, the better it is.
Okay, we are back for dinner, and we'll just show you some of the variety. The best part is that nothing is a repeat of what it was earlier.
The menu has completely changed.
Yeah, and we are vegetarians, so that's a big thing. So this time the special is pav bhaji, amritsari kulcha, fried rice and noodles. Just quickly we'll take you around. This is the soup station.
Aloo, you can have Hindi is there.
Okay, and just have a look around. So quite a lot of options for vegetarians. So things in here are all for vegetarians, and this is the salad. This is the dessert section. So quite a lot of variety, and this is the non-vegetarian section. So if you are non-vegetarian, you get a lot of things as well, but quite content with the variety that they have been offering. Happy with the variety?
Yes.
And now begins the stuffing.